Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify keeps pausing on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Spotify application in your mobile device, log into your account, and once logged in, all you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon. Tap onto it, tap on settings and privacy. Inside here, simply tap on playback. And just like that, make sure gapless playback is turned on. Scroll down and also make sure autoplay similar content is on as well. After that, head back to the previous menu, then tap on data saving and offline. And just like that, make sure data saver is turned on. Now scroll down to storage and just like that, tap on clear beside clear cache. Then tap on confirm. And if Spotify still pauses, open up your iPhone settings. Scroll below, tap on battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.